Hi, Bong Alcaide here. So, dito na tayo sa last video featuring Sense and Style collaboration, no? Um, wait. Uh, ito yung box nila na from the event. Yan. It's a collaboration of Sense and Style, CJ, Jess, and Mitch. They call it This Is Me. It's a series, I guess. So, hindi ko na natanong si Ryan about this eh. So, konti lang rin ang picture ko during the event kasi nakapokus ako sa kanila. Anyway, this is the last scent and final and last scent na i-review natin on this series. This one is Working Late. Oh my. Yeah, focus mo, focus. Yep, Working Late. Yeah, yeah. From Jessie So. So, eto, since gusto kasi ni Miss Jessie ng kape. So, mahilig siya sa kape. And kaya rin niya tinawag na working late. So, syempre, pag late na, um, you tend to have to grab a coffee, no, para lang magising. Pero this one, I think pwede to pang bedtime. Kasi, ang bango niya, it's a gourmand for me, no. So, sa taas, ilalagay ko yung, tawag dito, yung accords. So, let's try it. Sa blatter. Today ko rin yan. Today rin na bed. October 10. October 20. Kakauwi lang namin. So, nireview ko agad. So, this one's opens um, coffee agad. Coffee. So, right from the bat, coffee agad. No? Creamy coffee. Alam mo yung pag pumasok ka sa Starbucks, tapos nandun ka sa counter, and then isa nagpe-press ng coffee press. Ganon. Ganon yung opening niya. And then, oh my, ang bango talaga. Parang macchiato. Isipin mo yung macchiato, iniinom mo, lasang-lasa mo yung macchiato. Macchiato. Oh, okay. Kung ano man yan. Ganon yung scent niya. Yung, kung ano, paano mo siya nalalasahan, ganon yung scent niya. So, it's a creamy, lactonic, toffee. I also smell the chocolate. Yan. Meron din siyang coconut notes. It's a, I don't know, it's something from coconut. It's a coconut oil, I guess. And then vanilla and caramel. So yun na yun, ando dun lahat. So this one is, name it, working late. Sorry medyo hindi nagpo-focus yung, makikita kasi yung mukha ko eh. Ayan, working late. So guys, check it out once lumabas from Sense and Style. Meron silang partner na sa Lipopo. Available yan sa Lipopo. So, grab it. Let's support local, no? We are trying to elevate the local perfumery scene para sa magkaroon tayo ng footprint sa perfumer world from the Philippines, syempre. Mas mapaboost pa natin by supporting local. So guys, check them out from Sense and Style. So, it's worth checking them out, no? Worth it yung pera yung pambibili nyo dyan. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na pero to me, worth talaga yung money na isi-shed nyo sa kanila. As in. Thank you guys. See you sa next video.